When I was given that opportunity and that bib to say I was going on the court, yeah, very surreal feeling being here at Sport Wales, but to be able to have all my family present as well was really special.
My grandfather is Welsh and he was such a proud Welsh man. So to play for Wales today is actually a dream come true, and I know he'll be looking up super proud of me. So yeah, I just absolutely can't wait to pull on the dress and play at the Commonwealth Games.
Being from somewhere so small is something that I never thought could happen for me. So being able to go to the Commonwealth Games, which is where I first played for Wales and got my debut, I think was a real pinch me moment, and I don't think that ever goes away. Every time I get to pull the Welsh dress on, I literally look around that changing room like this is my life and I get to do this. But I feel really privileged and honoured to be able to represent.
I just remember my first time I played, my first cap was against Zimbabwe in a test match, and it was like, I couldn't have written it any better. Like, it was unbelievable. I had no idea I was going to start, and yeah, it was a really good test series for us, and I think I couldn't have written it any better. So yeah, like the most amazing memories from that weekend.
The first couple of years was more of a shock and a surprise that I was doing this more than anything. Now I feel so proud of myself that I've done it. I'm a complete different person to what I was when I was younger. I've been doing this for coming up 13 years, and I'm just so proud of myself. And there's still an element of surprise that I'm still doing it. But yeah, massively, massively proud.